All right, welcome to SC Custom Designs, where we are going to show you my face. So essentially what we're doing is continuing with the bandsaw box revival. We got to hurry up because of the end of September, yes. So basically next week, and we have a show coming up, and we need to make as many bandsaw boxes as possible. So if you're following the series, I started from the beginning, and we're near the end, basically, where we have to just do a little more sanding, and then we have to finish it. So there you go. But in the meantime, what I'm going to do is take the drawers, the solid blocks that came out of the drawers, and make them into what we call nested trays. Okay. That being said, I'm going to be also joining up these 4x4s. I always get paranoid that you can't see what I'm saying, so I have to come and look. Yes, these 4x4s. So I can make bandsaw boxes out of these guys. So I'm not going to include this in the series necessarily. I just wanted to do the one bandsaw box. So please look up that series. I try to link them all together. And there you go. So first thing you want to do when you join 4x4s is you want to plane them, because I'm going to glue them together. And you can probably see how rough they are, right? Really, really rough. All right. So you're going to want to plane where you're going to join them up. Without further ado, let's start planing. Definitely have these guys on. more than likely you observe that this one piece of 4x4 is cursed. You want to talk about snipe. For whatever reason, it said, I'll go fine, and then I'm going to really dig in various parts of the wood. It just seems like I'm not going to be able to utilize the planer there. What I will do, however, is still glue that up, and I'll have a cavity there. Here's the thing about bandsaw boxes, is that they are, the creativity and the lenience that you can have is just amazing. Things don't have to be perfect, my friends. All right? Bandsaw boxes are so fun to work with and to make because of that, for that very reason. Now, so what we have going on here, these are the, and this is not plugged in, these are the drawers, specifically this row here, for the bandsaw box series that you've been following. Hopefully you're following it. So what I'm going to do is choose some of them to make nested trays or whatever. They're going to be trays that come out of one solid block, one after the other. So you cut the first one and make it, the next one is smaller and smaller and so until you can't get smaller. These are units that I set aside through the years that I'll be utilizing as well. So we'll make trays out of those as well. So this is really cool concept where you take your bandsaw and you make these units, and there's really like very little waste. The waste is going in there. Very little. So I'm not going to continue this. Well, maybe I'll pause it. That's what we'll do. We'll pause this. Then we're going to mount you and put you over there so you can see how this is going to happen. I'm going to change my blade. Look up videos on me changing the blade for my bandsaw. All right, now we have a pretty thick blade on there at the moment. That's not really going to be good for scrolling. What we're going to do is come over here. We're going to grab, if you've been following, you know that I ordered four blades, so 2 of each size, and I have less teeth per inch now. All right, so for the first time, I am going to, let's see, I'm trying to put this somewhere where I won't damage any teeth. All right, so I've been using gazillions of teeth per inch, okay, like 14. And then what's happening is the sawdust is binding up and burning the blade, and it gets in its own way. So these are 4 teeth per inch. I buy my blades from Timberwolf bandsaw. Okay, so Suffolk Machinery Corp. TimberwolfBlades.com. I'm not sponsored by them. I just really like their blades. So much so that I will put their stickers everywhere. I already got one there from several years back. Okay, so I'm going to pause. Again, I'm not going to video me changing my blade. It takes a while to do, but I do have videos on doing things there. So, all right, thanks for chiming in. And I'm going to go ahead, and I'm probably going to stop it because I've had situations where when I'm videoing, it just stops on me anyways. And so there you go. Take care. Stay tuned.